thanks for coming back to the channel today. So on today's episode, we're going to go through the setup of the modular workbench. First, I want to get started with a little bit of an overview of how it's transported. So we have two modules. Okay, we'll show you the third module option in just a moment. But the first two modules, minus the miter saw stand, are transported on a dolly. All right. The sawhorses for the workbench store on the inside. All right. A couple clamps to keep it all secure. And these also help and aid in the setup. All right, so let's dive into it. First, get out our sawhorses. Take the other clamp, lock it in as well. Set it down. All right, so as you can see, I have two holes and then the top labeled on the inside. I've got the second hole to connect here. Just gonna slide the bolt through, washer, nut. Ready to go? All right, now let me go ahead and show you how we add the miter saw module to the modular workbench. Go ahead and take it off the stands. Okay, we'll move it right in front here. Now we're going to need to separate the sawhorses a little bit more to make room for the extension of the miter saw module. So to do that, what I like to use is my track saw guards. Okay. So this is my track saw guard, protects my workbench. I can set my working piece right on top, my track on top, and I cut into the foam instead of cutting into my workbench. I use this piece of foam to evenly space my sawhorses for the addition of the miter saw module. The top bolt and bottom bolt. Disassemble the two module workbench and add on the miter saw module. All right, we'll move it back a little bit so you can see. What I'm doing is I'm just threading a bolt through. In order to stand it on the sawhorses, I'm just going to grab in the center here. All right, and let's not forget to add our table extension piece. Slides right in there, fits in place nicely. And there you have it, the setup of the modular workbench.